When it comes to selecting your Scrum Master certification, which are the trending frameworks that you need to pay attention to in order for you to select your next Scrum Master certification? So I'm going to show you that exactly with backed up, reinforced data from this report, which is coming straight from the industry, so you can make an informed decision for your next Scrum Master certification. Now, if we scroll to page number 11 of this report, you can clearly see here what is the working well across the agile practices, people and technology. And there's a paragraph here which clearly states that the most popular framework continues to be the Scaled Agile Framework, SAFe. And because of this, it also says compared to the previous years, SAFe has gone from 37% in year 15 to 50% this year. Now, I don't know about you, but that is a huge, big amount of organizations that are choosing to pick the SAFe framework. Again, the question comes back to why? Technology. The industry is going through a massive digital transformation. And because of this transformation drive that's happening across all organizations, we need a framework. We need a framework that can help us scale all of this very well across the organization. And we need to have a framework whereby entire functions of the business can adopt and they can align themselves around and take and drive value forward. Only the Scaled Agile Framework, SAFe, allows you to do that. CSM, Scrum Alliance, doesn't have that. PSM, Scrum.org, doesn't have that at all. Yes, they might have other frameworks, but they're not being adopted by the industry, and there's clearly weaknesses in those frameworks. This framework has clearly shown that it's winning. The other great thing is, SAFe has Scrum embedded in it. It's already included for free. Kanban is already in it. It has an iterative approach already included. You can do Scrum and XP hybrid. There's practices for that. Lean startup, that's one of the key principles within the SAFe thing. Extreme programming and other methodologies, some of the other above, bits and pieces of that included. But the critical thing is all the major practices are already included in the Scaled Agile Framework. But there's something more interesting I would like to show you. So we are on page number 12 now, which it also details further the Scaled Agile Framework. Over half of the respondents say the Enterprise Agile Framework they are currently leveraging is SAFe. You can clearly see here, which is a picture, the widely adopted frameworks, and with over 53% of respondents going the Scaled Agile Framework, SAFe is the choice of their choosing. This is not a surprise to me, because if you think about it, SAFe gives you everything that you need. And even as someone that's looking to pursue a Scrum Master certification, why wouldn't you want to adopt a framework which other organizations are adopting in large numbers? Clearly, as it's shown here, you can get a slice of that action as well. For me, it is clear as day that when it comes to the SSM course as it stands right now, it is the clear option for all individuals to go that want to become Scrum Masters, because when you take an SSM course, you can fit straight into this, because organizations are adopting the Scaled Agile Framework. You get yourself qualified as a SAFe Scrum Master. You can show your CV that you are a qualified candidate with this framework, and when you go to an organization that wants individuals that are qualified as a SAFe Scrum Master skill set, it's a match. You're not one of these people that have a CSM and PSM that are exactly the same like the millions of other people. You have a differentiating factor. You have a uniqueness. You have a valuable asset in your hands, because you are positioning yourself as someone that can fulfill the needs of the organization who are adopting the Scaled Agile Framework, and you have the skill sets to enable them to go and pursue the adoption and the enablement of this framework across the business. So you having that SSM certificate underneath your belt, you're showing strength and credibility to your name, and you're reinforcing what the organization wants to achieve. So basically, it's a win-win situation. And when we look at CSM and we look at PSM, it is giving you only 5 to 10% in terms of what SSM is giving you. Clearly, it is a winner for that reason alone. And industries, entire organizations, companies are adopting this. I published a video the other day which was around NASA, the US military, Porsche, large airlines, Emirates, KLM, Boeing. Many large organizations are adopting the Scaled Agile framework. Why are they doing this? Something is working in this framework, and those organizations have picked up on it and they want to drive more business value. And they need individuals that are certified in this area of framework, so you can come in the organization, you can go and sit in marketing, you can go and sit in sales, you can go and sit in IT, you can go and sit in legal, you can go and sit in whichever function it is, and you can start participating with them with that new skill set of a Scrum Master, but very specifically in that framework. So because you know how it works. This is the clear differentiating factor and the reason why you want to take this going forward. Guys, that's all I wanted to say today. So thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. So share this video with someone that needs to know which is the best certification and framework to adopt if they're becoming a Scrum Master. Also, feel free to check out my new academy for all upcoming Scrum Masters. That's going to give you real insights on how to become a Scrum Master using real practical on the ground application tools and techniques. Feel free to check out my social media links, and that's all I wanted to say today. Thank you for watching.